So first you need to get a spray and spray all of the wheel. One of them for starting. Then you get your cloth and rub it where you sprayed it. And if you got some on the other one, you just rub that bit in too. And then you do the next one. And you do the same what you just did. And you have to make sure you get right in those corners. Make sure you wear a glove in case you get any of it in your hand, because then you might have to wash it, like I did on this one earlier when I was doing that. But I didn't have a glove on, so whilst now I had to wash it when I was doing exhaust pipes. Make sure you get under that bit where you can unplug the wheel, but then that bit won't be clean. And it'll take a bit of time to get that bit clean if you don't wash it. It's good to have little hands like me. Now on to the next one. If you need to catch up with me, just pause the video. And there might be a lot. And give a thumbs up if you like it. And just to help, subscribe and leave a like. Goodbye.